Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch using the Hryfine app. First, download the Hryfine application from your phone's app store, searching for Hryfine. Next, fully charge your smartwatch. This ensures a smooth connection without interruptions. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and keep your watch within a close proximity, ideally no more than 12 inches away, for the initial pairing. This preparation is crucial for a successful setup. Once the Hryfine app is open, locate the Device or Add Device tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen. The app will then begin searching for nearby smartwatches via Bluetooth. When your smartwatch appears on the list, perhaps identified by its model number or a unique ID, tap on it to initiate the connection. You might see a confirmation prompt on both your phone and watch. Confirm on both to proceed. This establishes the initial link between your devices. After a successful connection, the app will likely display a connected status. Now is the perfect time to complete your personal profile within the app, inputting details such as your height in feet and inches, your weight in pounds, and your daily step goal, perhaps 8,000 steps. This information helps the app accurately track your activities and health metrics. You can also customize your watch face, choosing from hundreds of designs, to truly make your smartwatch your own. If you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your smartphone and smartwatch often resolves the issue. Also, remember to regularly open the Hryfine app and manually sync your data to ensure all your activity logs, sleep patterns, and heart rate readings are saved. For optimal performance, grant the Hryfine app permission to run in the background on your phone, allowing for continuous data synchronization and notifications. Keep your app updated for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.